If I speak in the tongues of men and of angels and do not have love, I am only a sounding gong or a clanging cymbal. If I have the gift of prophecy and can fathom all mysteries and all knowledge, and I have faith that can move mountains, but do not have love, I am nothing. If I give all my possessions to the poor and give over my body to hardship, that I may boast, but do not have love, I gain nothing.
I thought it's supposed to be crying. I'm trying not to, though. No, you're not going to get twisted all over that.
It's been a problem.
We're behind schedule. That's great.
You look good, Jack.
I can turn around now. Turn around. Oh, wow. Great.
Am I allowed to kiss you now? Wait, no, that didn't happen. A raised finger. Alright. You look good.
Yeah, you look great.
Spin around.
You look great.
You like your back?
I love it.
Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast.
I love it.
It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking.
You look
It
great.
is not easily angry. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love.
And at this time, we will take the vows of the covenant of marriage. Zach, do you take Greer to be your wife?
I do.
Will you commit to her and cherish her in friendship and in love?
I will.
Do you choose to love her today, tomorrow, and for as long as you live?
I do.
Will you honor, defend, and love her faithfully through the best and worst of times, when you have a lot, when you have a little, when she's at her best and when she's not, whatever may come?
I will.
And Greer, do you take Zach to be your husband?
I do.
Will you commit to him and cherish him in friendship and in love?
I will.
Do you choose to love him today, tomorrow, and for as long as you live?
I do.
Will you honor, respect, and love him faithfully through the best and worst times, when you have a lot, when you have a little, when he's at his best, when he's not, whatever may come?
I will.
May we please have the rings. We'll begin with the groom. Zach, please place the ring on Greer's finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a visible and constant symbol
as a visible and constant symbol
of my promise
of my promise
to be with you
to be with you
as long as I live.
as long as I live.
Let's take this ring. She knows what she's doing. Please place the ring on Zach's finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a visible
as a visible
and constant symbol
and constant symbol
of my promise
of my promise
to be with you
to be with you
as long as I live.
as long as I live.
Zach and Greer, you have chosen to enter the promise of marriage with each other by pledging your love and devotion with vows and sealing those vows with the exchange of the rings. Therefore, with the power vested in me by the state of Tennessee, I now pronounce you husband and wife. And now you may kiss the bride. Make it count. That's right.
There it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Zachary Carter.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together, make some noise, and please show some love for the bride and the groom, Mr. and Mrs. Greer, Zach, Brent Carter, ladies and gentlemen.